हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी जूलॉजी। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सेवेज फैट फिशरीज। टर्बिड फ्लूइड ऑफ डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट और समटाइम्स हैव इंडस्ट्रियल एंड एग्रीकल्चरल वेस्ट, वाटर containing semi-decomposed and also decomposed organic matter and few essential minerals. Quality of sewage for fish culture. Raw sewage is 99% water and remaining 1% constituents include organic and inorganic substances, chiefly carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and sodium, and heavy metal in traces like lead, manganese, copper, chromium, nickel, and zinc. The release of such foul and noxious gas are due to high rate of microbial decomposition. Besides the detergents, microbes like bacteria and fungi and other micropathogens are also form a variable portion of sewage. The dissolved oxygen content of sewage is almost nil or insignificant. The raw sewage is directly, however, not supplied to the fish pond because of the following characteristics, which produce deleterious effects on fish and other aquatic biota, like high BOD, low DO2 means dissolved oxygen content, high CO2 content, high value of NH3 and H2S, and bacterial load. All the mentioned features requires a great treatment of raw sewage to make it suitable in fish culture. However, the sewage water for use in fish culture should undergo first is sedimentation. Sedimentation helps to remove suspended solids from the sewage to the maximum possible extent. The sewage is allowed to flow at high velocity in a channel. This process is completed in two tanks where one is built at higher level than the second one. In first tank, sewage is kept for 10 days so that organic matter is decomposed aerobically into nitrates and sulfur etc. Then after, sewage is passed in the second tank where sewage is allowed to stay for 15 to 20 days so that it loses its foul odor and become green due to development of algae. Second step is dilution. Stabilized and odorless sewage which flows out of the second tank is diluted with fresh water in the ratio of 1:5, which helps in bringing down the concentration of toxicants like CO2 and H3 to sub-sewage quality. Third step is storage. In this step, treated sewage water is kept in pond in which duckweeds such as azolla, lama are grown. Duckweeds serve as a nutrient pump which reduces the eutrophication effect and produce O2 from their photosynthetic activity. Major procedures of culturing fish in pond with treated sewage water. Firstly, the pond should undergo liming, which helps in increasing fertility status of sewage fed ponds and also act as disinfectant against harmful parasites. Ponds are also sun-dried before stocking. The treated sewage water from the duckweed pond is then taken into another set of pond for culturing fish. Treated sewage water is maintained a depth of 1 meter and diluted with fresh water. Considering the high carrying capacity and high productivity of sewage fed ponds, stocking is done with higher density. The stocked fish are checked at monthly interval for their health and growth by means of sample netting. Another harvesting phase starts after 15 days of restocking. Advantages of sewage fed ponds are no manuring and supplementary feeding is required due to high content of nutrient in sewage. Input cost is very low, required only in fish seeds, and production is very good. It reduces the pollution load of river and the aquatic ecosystem. Principal cultivated fish in savage fed ponds are there are following fish selected for culture in savage fed ponds such as Clarius batrachus, Heteropneustis fossilis, Chana species, Tilapia mozambicus, grass carp, silver carp, Caprinus scarpio, scale carp, etc. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल Thanks for watching.